welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there or mother figures. I hope you all celebrate well and I wish everyone a successful week. Everyone will receive a 10 of 40 hair care CRT, and I have a very simple all digital deal that I put together that you can do and it will come out very cheap. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start this video with the spend 20 get $5 bag. And the Scott bath tissue and the paper towel are on sale for 2 for $20. Pick up 1 Scott Comfort Plus and 1 Scott paper towel. Check your app. We have a $1 coupon for the bath tissue and $1 coupon for the paper towel. That will take off $2 and you pay $18 and get $5 back, making them just $13 or $6.50 each. The next deal is on Crest toothpaste. They are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. We have a 2 of 2 digital coupon that will drop you down to $8 and you get 4 back, making both $4 or $2 each. My next deal is on General Mills cereal. They are on sale for 2 for $5, no extra care box back. Pick up 2. Check your app. We have a $1 off 2 coupon that will drop you down to just $4. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. That means you're getting back $1 from Ibotta because you're doing this deal twice. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $3 or $1.50 each. This week, CVS vitamins are on sale for buy one get one half off, no extra care box bag. Pick up 2 vitamin C price at $4.69, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.35. Both will total $7.06. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each bottle. That means you get back $6 from Ibotta. After that, these two will end up costing just $1.04 or 52 cents each. And this will make a very good filler item if you have a 10 of 70 or 20 of 100 CRT. The Ibotta rebate for vitamin is a limit of 2, so if you don't want to pick up the vitamin C, and you can find the CVS Health Women's Multivitamin Plus Biotin, my store have it on clearance for $3.44. You can pick up 2 and the 2 will total $6.88. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each bottle. That means you get back $6, making these two just 88 cents or 44 cents each. In this video, you can see 2 more vitamins that are on 75% off. One is CVS Health Women's Healthy Skin and the second one is CVS Health Women's Healthy Aging. Both are on clearance for $5.37 and they are both attaching to the same Ibotta rebate. And it's a limit of 1. So you can pick up 1, pay $5.37, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back, making it just 37 cents. The next deal I have is on Centrum Vitamins. They are part of spend 15 get $5 back. Pick up the Centrum Women price at $15.49. If you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal because this item is not on sale. But without the percentage of CRT, pay $15.49 and get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $8.49. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 back. Pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $6.59. Both will total $13.18. Check your app. We have a $3 off CoverGirl digital coupon, and we also have a $4 off CoverGirl digital coupon that we received today. That will take off $7 and drop it down to $6.18 and you get 6 back, making them just 18 cents or 9 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get $5 back on any Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $5.29 each. And these two will total $10.58. Use the $3 off Maybelline CRT everybody received today and it will drop it down to $7.58 and you get 5 back. And that will make these two just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next cosmetics deal I have is on NYX Professional Makeup. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 2 NYX lip pencil priced at $5.49 each. Both will total $10.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. And if you have NYX CRT, I used to get a 2 of 10 NYX CRT, but for a while I've not been getting it. But if you have that, adjust your math. The next deal I have is spend $25 get $10 back on Neutrogena Aveeno Facial Care. The Aveeno Moisturizing Face Cream used to be $15.99 at my store, but as you can see, it's now $15.49. You can only do this deal I'm sharing if your price is still $15.99. Because with the $15.49, you will not be within the 98% of spend $25 with the deal I put together. So if your store is priced at $15.99, this will be the way you put your deals together. Pick up one of the face cream priced at $15.99 and one face cleanser priced at $8.99. These two will total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend $25. Check your app. We have a $5 digital coupon for the face cream and a $3 digital coupon for the face cleanser. I also have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno Facial Care CRT. The two coupons and the CRT will take off $13 and drop it down to $11.98, and you get 10 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is buy any raw sugar products, you get $3 back, and I have two options for this deal. The first one is to pick up the raw sugar body wash priced at $9.49. If you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal to make it cheaper. Without the percentage of CRT, pay $9.49 and you get 3 back, making it just $6.49 only. Or you can pick up the Kiss shampoo plus conditioner priced at $5.59, and you can also use a percentage of CRT if you want. Without the percentage of CRT, pay just $5.59 and get 3 back, making it just $2.59. The next deal I have is buy 2 any Dove hair care, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Dove shampoo or conditioner priced at $5.99 each. And these two will total $11.98. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $7.98, and you get 5 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next hair care deal is on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to 5, and you get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. The next hair care deal is buy 2 get 5 back on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon for L'Oreal Elvive and it will drop it down to $8.98, and you get 5 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next one is buy 2 get 3 back on any Monday hair care, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 Monday leave-in conditioner priced at $6.29 each, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These two will total $9.44. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.44, and you get 3 back, making them just $3.44 or $1.72 each. OGX hair care are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. You can pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $9.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. These two will total $14.86. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $10.86, and you get 4 back, making them just $6.86 or $3.43 each. This is the deal I put together using the 10 off 40 hair care CRT. Pick up 2 Dove shampoo and conditioner priced at $5.99 each, and 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner on sale for 2 for $8. 2 L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner priced at $5.99, and 2 Monday leave-in conditioner on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's priced at $6.29. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $3.15. These 8 items will total $41.40. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove, 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis, 3 off 2 digital coupon for the L'Oreal Elvive, and 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Monday hair care. And lastly, the 10 off 40 hair care CRT. The 4 coupons and the CRT will take off $23, leaving you to pay just $18.40, and you get back $5 for the Dove deal, $3 for the Garnier Fructis, $5 back for the L'Oreal Elvive, and $3 back for the Monday hair care. And that will make these 8 items just $2.40 or 30 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on any Depend or Poise. Pick up 2 Poise pads priced at $7.99 each, and they will total $15.98. Check your app. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $13.98 and you get 7 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta. For $1 back, it's a limit of 1, so you're just getting $1 back. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these two will end up costing just $5.98 or $2.99 each. Skintimate disposable razors are on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, check your app because we have a $3 coupon that will drop it down to $11 and you get 3 back, making both packs just $8 or $4 each. Gillette Shave Foam are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2, priced at $3.89, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $1.84 or 92 cents each. If you need honey made crackers, they are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $9 and get $2 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. The 84-ounce Tide detergent is on sale for $14.99, and when you buy 1, you get a free 5-ounce Gain or Downy Bits, which will make both products just $14.99 or $7.50 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.